You are taking good care of yourself. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is comparison of number. So students, whenever we talk about comparison of numbers, we say that which number is greater, which number is lesser, and which number is equals to. So now whenever we have to compare numbers, we always have to follow some rules. So now we will discuss about some rules so that whenever you will compare two numbers, so it would be easier for you. So now let's get started with rule number 1, that is the number with more number of digits is always greater. Now students, we have already studied about one digit number, we have already studied about two digit number and also three digits number. So now rule 1 says that whenever the number of digits are greater, okay, whenever the number of digits are greater, you will automatically say that this number is greater. Now in this example, can you see that sir has written 89 and 122. So now can you count that how many digits in 89? Yes. So how you are going to write it? This is in ones position and this is in tens position. And how many digits are there? There are 2 digits are there. Now if we talk about 122, so how many digits are there? There are 3 digits, that is ones, tens and 100. So automatically what I have said, that whenever there is more number of digits, you will say that it is greater. So in this example, which one is greater, 89 or 122? Very good. Answer is 122 is greater. Understood students? Now next is, the next rule says the number with greater number hundreds is greater. Okay, in a number where you have to see the 100 position. Now in the previous rule, you can easily differentiate in 2 digit and 3 digit. Now if you are facing a problem with 3 digit number, so now in this is also 3 digit number and this is also 3 digit number. Now important question says that how you are going to came across that which number is greater. So you will simply check the 100 position. So now here it is 3, this is ones, tens and 100. Here also this is ones, tens and 100. So you will check the 100 position. Now compare both the 100 position. This is 3 and this is 4. So now if I ask you to compare between 3 and 4, can you tell me that which number is greater? Very good. See, you all are intelligent. So in this 4 is greater. Now as the rule says the greater number of 100 is greater, so you will automatically say that 441 is greater than 332. Understood students? Now next is rule number 3. If the digits at the hundreds place are same. Understood students? Again I am repeating. If the digits at the hundreds place are same, then the number with greater digit at the tens place is greater. So students, now if I give an example of 3 digit number. Okay students, in the previous rule it is said that whenever 3 digits are there, you will automatically compare the two numbers in the 100 position. But now in this part, the third position is same. Can you see that in the 100 position 2 is same. So now you will compare the next digit, that is the tens place digit. Now when I ask you to compare the tens place digit, now here it is 8 and here it is 5. So now which number is greater? Yes, so number is 8 is greater. So it means that 287 is greater than 253. Why? Because the hundreds position is same. So we compared the tens place digit. And here the tens place digit with 8 is greater than 5. Understood, students? Come to fourth rule. Fourth rule says that if the digits at the hundreds and tens places are same. Understood, students? If the digits at the hundreds and tens places are same, the number with greater digit at the ones place is greater. Now students, here is an example, okay, and here it is a 3-digit number. This is also 3-digit number and this is also 3-digit number. In the first rule we have discussed that whenever the number with more digits, it is automatically, you will say that it is a greater number. In the rule 3, we have studied that if the 3-digit numbers are there, so how you will compare? You will first compare the 100 position. Now in the next rule you have studied that whenever the number is there, you will automatically check the 100 position and the tens position. Now here it is in 100 position, tens, and this is also 100. This is 100, this is tens, and this is ones. Now here 100 and tens, both positions are same. Here both 100 and position, here it is also 5, here in tens also it is 5. Here 100 position is also 5 and here the tens position is also 5. So this rule says that whenever the 100 and the tens position are same. Now this 100 and tens position are same. So you will compare the ones position. You will compare the ones position. Now then I will compare the ones position. So which number is greater, students? Yes, the number 9 is greater. So now if I ask you that in both the numbers which number is greater, so now you would be able to say yes. So number 559 is greater than 554. Understood, students? Now students, we are going to do the fifth rule of comparison of numbers. And student, this rule is interesting. So let's get started. Now in this, if the digits at the hundreds, tens and ones place are same. So students, till now we were comparing with 1-digit number, with the 2nd-digit number and the 3rd-digit number, or you can say that we were comparing ones, tens and 100 position. Now here, if all the digits are same on the left hand side also or on the right hand side. So here ones is same, here the tens place is also same and the 100 position is also same. So in this part, whenever you have to compare these kind of numbers where the number is same on both the sides, so we introduce with another sign that is equals to. We introduce with another sign that is equals to. So we will say that 883 is equals to 883. So this is interesting, students. Now you would be able to compare numbers very good. So now next is that we are going to solve some questions on the board, but you will not write anything from the board. You will simply learn it and you will understand it. Understood, student? Board, and you have to tell me that which number is greater and which number is equals to. So now in this first part it is written that 136 is what with 115. I have already told you that whenever 3-digit numbers are there, first you will compare the 100 place. So here in 100 position also it is written 1, and in 100 position here again it is 1. So now when the 100 position is same, you will compare the tens position. So in tens position what it is written there? 3, and here it is 1. So which one is greater, 3 or 1? Yes, the greater is 3. So you will say that 136 is greater than 115. Very good. Now next is 647 and 642. So now again you will compare the 100 position. So in 100 position what it is written there? 6. So now as I have already told you that whenever the 100 position is same, you will see the tens position. In tens position what it is written there? 4, and here it is 4. But students, can you see that in both tens position the number is same? Yes. So now we will allow the next rule, and the next rule says that you will compare the ones position, and in ones position what it is written there? It is 7 and it is 2. So now can you student tell me that which number is greater? Yes, when we compare the ones position, 7 is greater. And if one's position is greater, automatically you will say that 647 is greater than 642. Understand? Yes. Now, in the next part, it is 628, and here it is 599. So first you will check the 100 position, and in the 100 position what it is written there? This is 6 and this is 5. Now according to rule, when we will compare the 100 position, you will see that 6 is greater than 5. So you will say that 628 is greater than 599. Understood, students? It is interesting. Okay. Now fourth part. Now you will answer that 28 is greater or 123 is greater. Yes, come on, answer. Yes, answer is 123 is greater. Why? Because rule 1 says that when we compare the two digits, the number with more of the digits is automatically being called as greater number. Here we have how many digits? 1, 2 and 3. And here how many digits? 1 and 2. Understood, students? Now next is fifth, that is 819 and 810. So now here also you will compare the 100 position, and on the 100 position the number is, or the digit is same. So now you will move on to tens position. When we compare the tens position, it is again same. This is 1 and here also it is 1. So what option we are remaining? The ones position. So now as the rule says that when hundreds and the tens position are same, you will compare the ones position. And in this 9 or 0, which one is greater? Come on, students. Yes. So number 9 is greater. So with the help of ones position, you can easily find out that which number is greater. So in this, which number is greater? 819 is greater than 810. Now the last part and the interesting part. Here on the tens position it is 9. Here also again it is a tens position 9. On the ones position it is 9, and on the ones position it is 9. So I have already told you that whenever the 100 position, tens position and also the ones position is same, you will say that it is equals to. In this part, only 2-digit numbers are there, that is tens and ones. Now, when we compare the tens and the ones with the another number tens and ones, you will see that both the numbers are same. So now you can say that 99 is equals to 99. I hope you liked the concept of comparison of numbers. Very good.